She told us to dress up, but then...
Yeah, that was the plan. I'm the only one actually dressing for the place we're going to.
And you have a cuter picture. This is...
No, you Idiot, you're also showing up at my Kalari's mom outfit.
We've lost every race. How has he done this? What's up guys, this is Anaida and welcome back to my channel. It's a Saturday morning and I have a very hectic fun weekend ahead of me. I don't have any work, I don't have any shoots, and I'm spending the weekend just meeting my friends and going for a couple of events. So I thought this would be a good weekend to just film a weekend in my life, like a fun weekend in my life. So today, Saturday, I'm gonna go for lunch right now with Ishika and Tanisha. Then I have two events. I have to go for the Diesel event and then I'm going for the Homegrown Festival. After that I might even go out, like, I'm not sure. Then tomorrow, which is Sunday, I'm going for the races. There's the Poonawalla Million. Before I get late again, I'm gonna pick my clothes out, freshen up, get ready and leave. My options are actually kind of fairly limited now because last night I ended up taking my SOS medicine because my neck was hurting. So I'm not risking it. I'm wearing heels, which means I can't wear a lot of dresses. I can't wear a lot of... You know what I'm saying? I think my special talent is just getting late because I had a lot of time but I'm still running late. On my way to pick up Ishika and then we're going to Mirage U. I think that's how you pronounce it, I'm not sure. It's a new place and it's supposed to be a fancy place. I decided to wear something basic right now for lunch. For Diesel, Homegrown, and the rest of the night I'm going to be wearing like a little dressier, like corset kind of a top with my same trusty dusty jeans and the shoes that I really think I need to throw out right now because I've overworn them. Okay, Ish is here and she looks like a doll, man. Like, look at the bag.
Overdressed.
And look at the... My god, but we're such different vibes. Like, just look at what we're wearing.
We were like discussing on the group chat and we were like, bro, no one's gonna be on theme.
She told us to dress up, but then...
Yeah, that was the plan. I'm the only one actually dressing for the place we're going to.
Let's see the vibe. Ishika was saying that it's a really nice place. So,
I've heard really good things. Excited to try. Oh, she's vlogging.
yeah.
Oh, this is so cool. I'm at my Kalari's mom outfit.
And look at Ishika.
On the side, there's the truffle gelatin on the top, pate, apple compote, Brazilian grapes and figs.
Lovely. It's beautiful. You all do the pictures and I'll give the tag. Sure, that was amazing. That was mango. That was crazy.
I'm gonna try this. Oh, it cuts well. Oh, it's party. Okay, wait. One second.
Oh wow.
I love the party, bro. I love party in general.
That is really good. Oh wow.
Just look at her.
I got it.
She's wearing red.
And I thought not to flex, but I got my OTP the first go.
I was trying to log into DigiYatra and I just
DigiYatra? No,
Sorry,
DigiLocker.
DigiLocker. And I was just... it's been 3 hours.
my instant karma has come right
In
back
1
to me.
second she got it. It's not fair that you got it so easy and you have a cuter picture. This is... Okay,
You
you
Idiot, you're also showing. I don't it?
Yeah.
She's pretty.
There's a broccoli in there.
Bruh.
Guys, this is
Bruh.
insane.
Bruh.
Insane. It says broccoli.
Bruh. I might turn into a mushroom. It's so good. It's pesto drizzle here. It's been nice. I feel like if I don't eat it, I'll regret it. The whole thing is mushroom.
It's rolling. I mean,
Yeah. Keep it up.
figuring what dessert to have now.
Which one did you recommend?
Tori khama.
Tori.
Okay, we are done. Such a good meal. Okay, so Ishika's house was 2 minutes away, so I've just gone to her house and changed into what I'll be wearing for the Diesel event. Tattu is waiting for me. Oh my god, you look...
I'm literally doing a one product makeup routine. I put this same lipstick on my lip cheeks everywhere.
Should I tie my hair? Keep my hair tied.
I like it.
You like it? Okay, I'll leave it like this. See you there. Okay, we're done with the event and now I'm leaving for Homegrown.
Very tired.
Gotten into my cab now. I'm already on my way going for the Homegrown festival and my college friends are joining me there, and after that we're gonna go out after a really long time. I'm actually very hungry. I want coffee, so I think that's the first thing I'm gonna get. Might shop a little bit because I was tempted at Phoenix, but then I'd have to carry the bags everywhere, so then I didn't. And my hair is not hairing at all. After I come out of the shower and I know I have to go for an event, I will always blow dry it and like iron parts of it because this gets really frizzy, and this is the first time that I actually haven't used any heat whatsoever. Like it's just air dried. It's not looking terrible, looking a little bit like an egg. So I'm going to open my hair when I reach.
You got a camera there.
Okay, we've reached Homegrown. Just gonna go and eat something first or get like a drink. Palan got these pants. Homegrown was alright, and now we're just going to. No, they will. Now we're at 145. We're gonna eat something because we're starving. It's like 10 o'clock.
Animal style fries, guys.
Starving, bro.
I think I'm gonna check back in tomorrow.
और जो भी हो करेक्ट है, आप जो बोले करेक्ट है। हाँ ये
Good morning. It's a Sunday and I'm not awake enough to even switch on the lights right now, but got some sleep though because it's like 11 o'clock. So I've slept. The races are at 4 o'clock, so got some time to like relax. I think I want to just shower, like take a head bath. So I just finished showering. My hair is wet. I'm gonna quickly dry it a little bit and then get dressed because now again I'm late and I have to leave really soon. I'm so late. My room's a mess, but I just gotta go. Okay, so I'm on my way to Mahalakshmi race course now. I have just parked. I have reached. There was absolutely zero parking. Like I think I spent like a good 15 minutes just doing chakkars. I'm gonna step out really quick. I'm awfully late. Okay, there's a full setup here. Usually it's not like this and it's all empty. So no wonder there was like a lot more crowd and a lot more cars for parking. I'm gonna find Pala now. I'm gonna... Having my favorite sandwich.
When they'll enter away in the mainstream, they got...
Oh, he'll finish and everyone will. She's actually too cute. Too sweet. Inside the paddock.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Space.
Is that him? No. Palan's horse. That is surreal. Just to show support, we have bet $300. The race has begun. Palan's horse didn't win. So now we've come to the flea market to just see stuff. Come on. We've lost every race of the day, and this is the last race. $1,000 on this one horse.
You shouldn't gamble.
Say that again.
You shouldn't gamble, it's not good.
Laila, how's your day going? Okay, it's begun. How do you know it's
Sitting like second last.
it's fine, bro? It's not.
It's outside. So like,
Yeah, it's outside. There's a chance. Don't say that. Right now, number one is third. Please, bro. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh my god.
Come on, Stone.
We won. Race day is over and now I'm just driving across the street to get some dinner. This is like my favorite drink and my favorite thing in the world. The Safe Puri and iced tea at this club is insane. It's way too much food, man. Heading home, just gonna rot in bed for like a couple of hours till my eyes shut, and then it's gonna be Monday again, and that sucks. I can't, but it is what it is. Cool. Okay, I'm driving now. Bye. So I'm finally home, tired. It's past 10. I want to sleep a little earlier so I can wake up well rested and ready for the week. Obviously all my days are packed, I'll be working, but even all my nights are packed, so it's just going to be super hectic. But anyway, if you're seeing this, that means you stuck till the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.